So position static is position to the normal flow of the website. So let's take a look at how that looks. So this is how we are positioning it. If you then just change this to 0, be the same, and if we then remove this, let's see what then happens. It's the same. And do you know why? Because you don't use top and left and right when you actually use position static. Another thing to experiment with, which requires a bit of text, so let's go in and find some lorem ipsum text, and great, and then let's put this outside of the box here, and let's give this a class of extra large font, because we need to just have some scrolling. So this is just to show you. So extra large font is going to be a font size of 35 pixels. See if that's big enough. Okay, it's not. So if we just copy and paste this a couple of times. Great. And then we need to actually place this, just to show you what it means. It's better to place this like maybe here, for example. Okay, great. Then we can go in and say positions D. And what we can then use this to is we can go in and we can go in and